Hey guys, so today I'm going to show you how I use the Beachwaver. It has its own temperature settings, which is amazing and does all the work for you. I love how the clip has a home button, so it brings it back home. Here you see I separated my hair on two sides and I curl everything back towards the back of my head. I do each piece for a few seconds and then it's off. I really do the style in under 5 minutes. Then I move to the other side and you'll see I do the underneath first, and then I come back and start doing the top layers. I go all around my head. My hair tends to fall out really easily, so I make sure that they have enough time on each curl to keep them warm and stay in and last all day, which they pretty much do with the Beachwaver. Here you'll see I'm doing the top layer just for a few more curls on the top. I touch up and go around to see if there's any pieces that need an extra curl or if I missed any. Then I fluff it up a little bit, run my fingers through it. I fix up a few more pieces, as you can see. And then once this is done, I flip my hair, I pinned it back today. And that's my look in under 5 minutes. Hope you guys like it. Thanks for watching.